All right, so Patricio Lugo obviously had the huge honor to play against Zain Retherford, arguably the best person in your weight class, 149 from Penn State. Just go through your thoughts and everything, how you were able to stay in there for as long as you could, and just your thoughts on everything.
Went there with a game plan, like go back down, not be scared, and I think I did that. First player I got to take down, kind of stayed on me a lot, kind of wore me down, and he was able to get the win.
And now the fact that you played up against Retherford and everything, you think that's an opportunity that sized you up for what could be in store for tomorrow?
Yeah, definitely. He's, like you said, one of the dominant kids in the tournament, so I know there's nothing better than that, so I know I'm going to go out there and get third, or at least All-American.
And what was going through your mind? I mean, obviously, you know, playing this match and everything. Was it an accomplishment for you to at least get that early lead on him with that early takedown?
Yeah, definitely, because I know he has a pretty good gas tank, so my plan was to dominate early, so I spread the gap as much as I could. Couldn't do it that much. It is what it is. We'll come back and do what I gotta do.
All right, Pat, we'll see you tomorrow. Best